Hi friends, welcome to today's video. So today we are going to see some of the mapping questions in blood relations. So our question is, A minus B means A is the brother of B. A plus B means A is the mother of B. A at B means A is the father of B. And A cross B means A is the sister of B. Which of the following shows that P is the maternal uncle of Q? So understood the question? Here some representations are given. A minus B will represent that A is the brother of B. Likewise, A plus B means A is the mother of B. A at B, A cross B it is given. Then four expressions are given. So among these four expressions, which of the following shows that P is the maternal uncle of Q? So that is a given question. Don't try to deduce from the options given. It will take more time. So what you do is that you have to draw pictures representing all these four options. So from the pictures you can easily find out which one shows that P is the maternal uncle of Q. So let's start. So you have to start from left. So first option A, Q minus N. So what does Q minus N means? Q minus N means Q is the brother of N. So that also you have to see. A minus B means A is the brother of B or B is the brother of A. That you have to take care. So here Q minus N means Q is the brother of B. So that means Q is the brother of B. It means Q is a male and N we don't know. Okay, we don't know means we won't be writing plus or minus. We know that Q is the brother of N. So Q is a male. So you have to write plus for Q. So Q is the brother of N. Now N plus M. N plus M means N is the mother of M. Next M cross P. M cross P means M is the sister of P. In our basics video, we had used horizontal line for representing siblings, brother or sister, and vertical lines for representing parent-child relationship. And minus is representing female and plus is representing male. And double-headed arrow is representing husband. Okay, now let's see. From here we can see that Q is in this generation and P is in next generation. So P cannot be the maternal uncle of Q. So this A is not correct. A is not representing P is the maternal uncle of Q. Now let's go to B option. So this is only way you can do this kind of questions. Don't try to deduce simply by reading or simply by mind calculation. Just start drawing. Just represent it pictorially. So you can easily find out. Next P plus S. P plus S means P is the mother of S. Okay, so P is the mother of S. S cross N. S cross N means S is the sister of N. Now N minus Q. N minus Q means N is the brother of Q. So likewise it will come. So here let's see whether P is the maternal uncle of Q. Here we can see that P is a female. So from that itself this cannot represent that P is the maternal uncle of Q. Uncle means he should be a male. So this is not our option. So C is also not our option. Now let's go to C. Once we get the answer, we will be stopping there. C option P minus M. P minus M means P is the brother of M. Okay. M plus N. M plus N means N is the mother of M is the mother of N. Now P minus M plus N we wrote. Okay. N cross Q. N cross Q means N is the sister of Q. Okay. Here let's see. N is the sister of Q and N's mother is M. So M will be the mother of Q also. Okay, so this relation will be standing true for here also. M is the mother of N. Since N is the sister of Q, M will be the mother of Q also. And P is the brother of M. So here we can see that P is the maternal uncle of Q. So what do you mean by maternal uncle? Q's mother's brother, that is maternal uncle. So this option is representing that P is the maternal uncle of Q. So our C is our answer. Okay. So which of the following shows that P is the maternal uncle of Q? C is our answer. So we need not go to represent option D. Okay, now just for the sake of completion, I am just showing option D also. So Q minus S means Q is the brother of S. So Q is the brother of S. S at P means S is the father of P. So here we cannot say that. Here Q is actually the paternal uncle of P. So that representation will only come here. So C is our answer. Now let's go to second question of the same format. These kind of questions can come for CAT. M cross N means M is the daughter of N. M plus N means M is the father of N. M percentage N means M is the mother of N. M minus N means M is the brother of N. Given that P percentage Q plus R minus T cross K, what is the relation of P to K? The expression is given and you have to find out the relation. In the first question, relation was given, you have to find out the representation. So it is more difficult because you have to work out all the four options one by one. So it takes more time. Blood relations, the only key is practice, practice and practice. As you go on practicing, it becomes more easier for you and you can complete the questions very easily. So here the expression is given, you just have to find out the relation. It is more easier. So P percentage Q, each one you have to take from the left, you have to start and each two times you have to take together. That is the only key here. So P percentage Q means P is the mother of Q. Okay. Now Q plus R. Q plus R means Q is the father of R. Okay. So next R minus T. R minus T means R is the brother of T. Okay. Now T cross K. T cross K means T is the daughter of K. T is the daughter of K. Now what is the relation of P to K? Here you can see Q and K are coming together in the same level of generation. What is the relation between Q and K? T's parent is K and T's parent is Q also, because R and T are siblings. R and T are siblings and Q is the father of R and T. And T is K's daughter also. So that means K will be the mother of T, or K will be the mother of both R and T. So here Q and K are husband and wife. So what is the relation of P to K? P will be the mother-in-law of K. Okay, so mother-in-law is the relation. P is the mother-in-law of K. So just by drawing this diagram, the horizontal lines will be representing sibling relationship, and here Q and K are coming in the same level. So that means Q and K are of the same generation. Now just deduce the relationship between Q and K. So easily you can deduce, because R and T are siblings and K is the mother, K is the parent of T. So from that Q is also the parent of R and T. So Q and K are husband and wife, and we know the gender of P also. P is a female, so P is the mother-in-law of K. Suppose if the gender of P was not known, we cannot deduce whether P is the father-in-law or mother-in-law. So depending on the options, you have to write accordingly. Here we know the gender of P also, so P is the mother-in-law of K. Now let's go to the last question of the video. A at B means A is the sister of B. A dollar B means B is the mother of A. A minus B means A is the brother of B. A equal to B means B is the father of A. Which of the following means M is the maternal uncle of N? So same question as of question number 1. So let's go to represent the options. So M equal to P. M equal to P means P is the father of M. Okay, so this is very important. A equal to B means B is the father of A. So M equal to P means P is the father of M. Now P plus Q. So here it is plus, okay, sorry, here it is plus. A plus B means A is the brother of B, okay. So now P plus Q. P plus Q means, what does it mean? A is the brother of B, so P is the brother of Q. Now Q at N. Q at N means Q is the sister of N. Now that is over. Now we have to find whether M is the maternal uncle of N. So here you can see M is coming in a generation lower to that of N. So M cannot be the maternal uncle of N. So from that itself, you need not find out the relationship even. You just have to check whether that relationship can come or not. Here M is at a generation lower than that of N. So this relationship cannot come for sure. Now let's go to option B. N plus P. N plus P means N is the brother of P. Now P is equal to Q. P is equal to Q means Q is the father of P. So Q is the father of P. Next, Q at M. Q at M means Q is the sister of M. Okay, that itself cannot come here because Q is a father, Q is a male, and again it is given like Q is the sister. So that option itself is wrong. Now let's go to option C. For option C, N at P. N at P means N is the sister of P. Now P dollar Q. P dollar Q means Q is the mother of P. Now Q at M. Q at M means Q is the sister of M. Now let's find out whether this represent M is the maternal uncle of N. So here you can see that M is indeed N's mother's sibling. Here N and P are siblings and Q is P's mother. So Q will be N's mother also. So M is N's mother's sibling, but we don't know the gender of M. It's not given like whether M is a female or M is a male. If M is a male, M is the maternal uncle of N. If M is a female, M is the maternal aunt of N. So here we cannot know the gender of M. So we cannot say whether M is the maternal aunt or maternal uncle. So here the option is none of these. So none of these can also come. So we have drawn the representations for the options A, B and C, and none of these represents M is the maternal uncle of N. So none of these is the answer. For more aptitude and logical videos, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.